Okay, today I'm going to show you something that I've made recently, and it's called alcohol gel, and it looks something like this right here. Show you really close, and I'll go really slow so you can see. Okay, just like that. Very easy to make. But I don't know, I've been doing a lot of things, and I don't know if people wants to make it, but possibility is there. And I also put them in here. And I'm going to show it to you really close, how it comes out. See? That's what it looks like when it's squirting. And then I'm going to show you on top of my hands. All nice and clear. And put it on my hands. And the alcohol percentage on this, because it's so good, you would be able to get 75 plus. I like it at 80. Yup. Imagine 80% alcohol content, and it runs out a gel. See it? Really close. Gel. Just like the hospitals. It'll be hospital gel, I guess you can call it. And really nice. And the reason why we're doing this, because we don't want the alcohol to evaporate too fast. So now it becomes a gel instead. And look. Nice. I'll do it one more time. If you guys want to make this, I can show you how to make it later. But that's just a short introduction. Very easy to do. You can do with alcohol. That is 91%. You can do iso alcohol. And that is for the shift, okay? If you don't know what shift means, you want to research on that. Now that is actually ethyl alcohol, and that is your last option as well. And you can make clear gel, just like that. But this was made from isopropyl alcohol, sort of like that. And it's 75, you can get away with 75% to 85%. I did it at 85% is a little thin, so I don't know, maybe this is an 80 mixture, but you have to play around with it because of the product. But see, one more time before I go. See how nice and gel that is? Look at that. And then from here, and as you saw my hand dry, that's what it looks like up close. And see, it doesn't run as much. And put it on here. Okay. And that's it. Easy as that. All nice and dry. Okay. So if you're interested in making that, leave a comment. And then I'll go into it and I will show you how to make it. 2 ingredients. And that's it. Okay?